Acherontia atrops, also known as the African death's head hawkmoth, is the most widely recognized of the three species of the genus Acherontia. They can be found throughout Africa and Eurasia from as far east as India to as far west as the British Isles. This death's head hawkmoth can most commonly be identified by the vaguely skull-shaped pattern adorning the thorax, the characteristic from which its common name and scientific names are derived. It sports a 5-inch long wingspan, with the upper set of wings being brown with hints of yellow, amber, charcoal, and cream. The lower wings are yellow with two brown stripes fashioned in waves extending diagonally across the surface. At rest, the wings of the moth fold downwards, concealing the hind wings beneath the forewings. The abdomen of A. atrops is robust and covered in brown, feathery down. Yellow striping that highly resembles the color patterns of a hornet's extend partway across each abdominal segment. Like in most Leptoptera, female moths of this species tend to be larger than males, appearing bulkier and sporting larger, more robust abdomens. The larvae are typically yellow or green in color, with blue or yellow stripes, and the body is stoutly built, which sports an upward curving posterior horn. Unlike most moths, which generate noise by rubbing external body parts together, all three species within the genus Acherontia are capable of producing a squeak from their pharynx, a response often triggered by external agitation. It is unclear exactly why the moth emits this sound. However, one hypothesis suggests that the squeak relates to the moth's honeybee hive raiding habits, as the squeak produced from this moth mimics the piping noise produced from a honeybee hive's queen, a noise which she utilizes to signal the worker bees to stop moving. In spite of the fact that Acherontia atrops is perfectly harmless except for being as a minor pest to crops and beehives, the fancied skull pattern has burdened the moth with a negative reputation, such as associations with the supernatural and evil. There are numerous superstitions to the effect that the moth brings bad luck to the house of which it flies into, and that death and misfortune may be expected to follow. Additionally, many uninformed people claim that the moth has a poisonous sting.